Hey there folks, Mike Rowe here, ready to get my hands dirty with the fascinating journey of the humble peach from the orchard all the way to your pantry shelf. Today, we're diving deep into the world of peach farming, processing, and everything in between. We're talking billions of tons of peaches people transformed from fuzzy little fruits into those sweet, juicy slices we all know and love. Imagine the sheer volume and effort it takes to bring these delicious fruits from the tree to your table. It's a testament to human ingenuity and a process that's as impressive as it is delicious. From sorting to washing, every step is meticulously planned to ensure the highest quality. So, buckle up as we explore the amazing world of peach farming and canning. We'll see the dedication and hard work that goes into every peach you enjoy. We'll start by getting our hands dirty in the orchard, where it all begins. Here, farmers carefully pick each peach at the perfect moment of ripeness. We'll learn about the ideal conditions for growing these delicate fruits, from the perfect soil and climate to the meticulous care farmers provide. The right balance of sunlight, water, and nutrients is crucial for a bountiful harvest. Then, we'll move on to the crucial role of pollination, a delicate dance between nature and human intervention. Bees play a vital role in this process, ensuring that each blossom has the potential to become a juicy peach. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer scale and efficiency of modern peach farming. From the use of advanced machinery to the coordination of large teams, it's a marvel of modern agriculture. The journey of a peach is a story of dedication, innovation, and a love for nature's bounty. Peach trees, you see, they're a bit like Goldilocks. They need everything to be just right. We're talking well-drained soil, plenty of sunshine, and the right amount of care. These trees are quite particular about their growing conditions. They also need a good chill in the winter. This cold period is crucial for their development, ensuring they produce the best fruit when the warmer months roll around. Farmers, they spend years cultivating the perfect environment for these fussy fruits. They carefully select rootstocks, prune branches with precision, and ensure each tree has the best start in life. They monitor the trees for pests and diseases, always vigilant. It's a constant battle against nature, but one they take on with dedication. It's a year-round job, folks. And these farmers, they're the unsung heroes of the peach world. Their hard work and commitment often go unnoticed, but without them, we wouldn't have these delicious fruits. They plant the trees in neat rows, ensuring proper spacing for sunlight and air circulation. This careful planning helps the trees grow strong and healthy. They nourish the soil with fertilizers, carefully balancing the nutrients. Soil health is paramount, and they test it regularly to make sure it's just right. And they keep a watchful eye out for any signs of trouble, whether it's a late frost, a pesky insect infestation, or a fungal disease. Each potential threat is met with swift action to protect the trees. It's a labor of love, folks, and it all starts with creating the perfect environment for these delicate fruits to thrive. From the moment the seeds are planted to the time the fruit is harvested, every step is taken with care and precision. Now let's talk pollination. You see, peaches need a little help from our buzzing friends, the bees. Without these diligent workers, the process of pollination would be incomplete. These busy little pollinators transfer pollen from one flower to another, ensuring the development of those juicy fruits. Each bee plays a crucial role in this natural process, visiting hundreds of flowers in a single day. Farmers, they understand the importance of bees, so they often introduce beehives into their orchards. By doing this, they create an environment where bees can thrive and work efficiently. It's a beautiful partnership, a delicate dance between nature's workers and the farmers who rely on them. This symbiotic relationship ensures that the peach trees are well pollinated and can produce a bountiful harvest. But it's not just about leaving it all to the bees. Farmers also play a significant role in this process. Some peach varieties require cross-pollination, meaning pollen from a different peach variety is needed. This is where the farmer's knowledge and planning come into play. Farmers carefully plan their orchards, planting different varieties in close proximity to ensure successful pollination. This strategic planting helps maximize the chances of cross-pollination and ultimately a successful harvest. They might even bring in additional beehives during peak blooming season, just to give those bees an extra incentive to do their thing. More bees mean more pollination, which translates to more peaches. It's a fascinating blend of science and nature, all in the pursuit of those perfect peaches. The collaboration between bees and farmers is a testament to the wonders of nature and human ingenuity working hand in hand. When those peaches start to ripen, folks, it's a race against time. The harvest season is short, and farmers have to work quickly and efficiently to get those delicate fruits off the trees and on their way to becoming canned goodness. Some orchards still rely on hand-picking, with teams of workers carefully selecting each ripe peach. It's a labor-intensive process, but it ensures that only the best peaches make the cut. But in larger orchards, technology lends a helping hand. Mechanical harvesters, resembling giant vacuum cleaners, gently shake the trees, causing ripe peaches to fall onto conveyor belts. These machines can harvest acres of peaches in a fraction of the time it takes to do it by hand. It's a sight to behold, folks, a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to work with nature to bring food to our tables. Once those peaches are harvested, they're whisked away to the factory, where the real transformation begins. First up, it's sorting time. Conveyor belts carry the peaches past eagle-eyed inspectors who remove any damaged or blemished fruit. They're looking for size, shape, color, and any imperfections that might affect the quality of the final product. Then, it's time for a bath. The peaches are gently tumbled in a series of washing tanks, removing any dirt, debris, or lingering pesticides. These washing systems use gentle jets of water and sometimes even special brushes to ensure those peaches are squeaky clean and ready for the next stage of the process. It's all about food safety, folks, and these factories take it very seriously. Now comes the fun part, peeling and pitting. In the old days, this was a laborious task, done by hand with knives. But today, technology has revolutionized the process. High-speed peeling machines use steam or hot water to loosen the peach skins, which are then removed by rotating rubber discs or brushes. It's incredibly efficient and ensures consistent results, with minimal waste. Next, the peaches move on to the pitting station. Automated machines use optical sensors to identify the position of the pit within each peach. Then, precisely calibrated blades slice neatly around the pit, dividing the peach in half and removing the stone in one swift motion. It's a marvel of engineering, folks, and it's fascinating to watch these machines in action. Now that our peaches are peeled, pitted, and ready for action, it's time for the main event, canning. The peach halves are carefully placed in cans, which are then filled to the brim with a sweet syrup solution. This syrup helps to preserve the peaches, enhance their flavor, and maintain their texture. The cans are then sealed airtight, ready for their sauna session. And by sauna session, I mean the pressure cooking process. The sealed cans are loaded into giant pressure cookers, where they're subjected to high temperatures and pressure. This process eliminates any harmful bacteria, and ensures the peaches are shelf-stable for months, even years, to come. It's like a time capsule of deliciousness, folks, all thanks to the magic of canning. Once the cans have cooled down, they're ready for their final makeover, labeling and packaging. Automated machines apply labels, which include important information like the brand name, ingredients, nutritional facts, and of course a mouth-watering picture of those juicy peaches. The cans are then packed into boxes and stacked onto pallets, ready to be shipped to supermarkets and grocery stores all over the world. From the orchards of California to the bustling markets of Mumbai, those canned peaches embark on a global journey, bringing a taste of summer to people all year round. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of our world and the power of food to bring people together. Next time you open a can of peaches, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey those fruits have taken to reach your table. So there you have it, folks, the amazing journey of the canned peach. From the orchard to the factory to your pantry, it's a story of hard work, innovation, and a little help from Mother Nature. Next time you enjoy a slice of canned peach, remember the dedication and ingenuity that went into bringing that sweet treat to your table. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to harness the power of nature to feed the world. Until next time, stay dirty.